Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a pump drill. Now, what is a pump drill, I hear you ask? Here's one I made earlier, and there's a video in the description on me demonstrating how to use this. It's a means of spinning a spindle with a pumping motion. There are lots of ways that you could make a pump drill. Today I'm going to show you how you can use it just using simple bushcraft tools. You'll need a long thin stick, a slightly fatter stick, and a large round log. You also need some cutting tools, a saw, a knife, and some paracord. Put the longer stick down to size. Put a hole through the centre of this. Find roughly where the centre is with a piece of string, fold that in half. Like this. So I know the hole's roughly there, I'm just going to score that. Okay, so I've cut through both sides until we're in the middle. I've tried to get it reasonably thin. The thinner it is, the easier it is for me to bore the hole through on the front. Just using the tip of my knife in a sort of curving motion. As I'm starting to get closer to the centre, I'm obviously keeping my fingers well out of the way. Now with my longer, thinner piece, which will be the spindle, I'm just going to take off the bark on any of these little knots. So that would run through there nice and smooth now. What I'm going to do now is split my larger log. This is what's going to be the flywheel or the counterweight. So to do that, because my knife isn't big enough to fit through there, you wouldn't batten through that. What I'm going to do is just to make a wedge out of another scrap piece of wood. So there we have a nice simple wedge which I can fit in this split, and I can hammer that in there and hopefully split that into two. So once you've managed to get that to split, the slightly more tricky part, attaching my weight to my spindle. So we've created a diamond, and then I want to shape the end of the stick so that it fits in there, and it wants to be a fairly snug fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie a simple bowline to form a loop, and that's going to give me sort of thread the rest of the loop through, pull back on it and cinch it up again on this side. So I've managed to put a square hole all the way through that stick so that I can feed the paracord through there. Spindle on there, and now when the paracord's through it, it's just a case of tying these two ends. There we have a pump drill using a knife and a saw. It takes a while, but you could definitely make one just with your kind of normal bushcraft tools.
Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out some of these other videos.